Alright, so starting off this look, I'm going to use the NARS concealer for my eyelids. I always use this, guys. What's new? This palette is new. Speaking of new, this is the Orange Pop Kara Beauty eyeshadow palette. If you have not seen my review on this, then definitely go check that out. I did a review on all three of the palettes. Gonna go in with this gorgeous bright, in the palette it looks bright orange, but once I put it on it was more of like a watermelon-y color, which I'm not mad about because I thought it was very, very pretty. I packed that on and then I grabbed like a little blending brush, and as you guys can see, these shadows are so blendable, it's crazy. These might have to possibly be one of the top like 3 of the best blending eyeshadows I've ever used. Eyeshadows that blend the best, you know. I'm going to go ahead and grab that concealer again, put it on the middle of my lid, and then go in with the Purple Haze palette from Kara Beauty and go in with this second shade right here. I didn't know at the time that this was an eyeshadow topper. I thought it was going to come out a bit more pigmented, but I ended up just packing that on and then blending that reddish orange shade to make more of like a halo eye. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner, the white. I thought this would make the eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with this ColourPop mascara. I'm not sure the name of it, but I know it's like a burgundy-ish purple color. It really didn't show up too much on camera, but in person you could tell that it was kind of like a burgundy purple. So the red color, that reddish orange color, I used on the lids. I'm going to put underneath the lower lash line. Going with one of my favorite mascaras from It Cosmetics and do the top lashes. Finished look. Not sure if you guys can tell or not, but I did some fake freckles today. Let me know how you like them below. This look was very easy, so much fun. Again, go check out that recent video I did with some swatches from these eyeshadow palettes. They're so great. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!